Hey folks, Turbine Guy here. Today I got a little DIY project that you may have to do yourself. Now my wife, she got herself a 2004 Sebring Limited Convertible, and we got a problem where when we're going down the road, the throttle don't always want to catch and it might want to kill. And we got so many error codes. I kind of started out with one thing and now I'm getting to the throttle position sensor. That could very well be the problem. So what I did, I got online, Advanced Auto, and I went online and searched Advanced Auto coupons. I got myself a 25% coupon, so my $79.99 part cost me $59.99. Always look for them coupons online and go from there. So I'm ready. I got the thing going. I got a T20 hex wrench and my little ratchet, and we're all set to go. Now, first thing I did before you guys showed up is I kind of loosened and got them bolts ready. You can see here's the part right here. This is it. So we got a little connector and the bolts. So I got them loosened and ready. Boom, we get it out of there, pull it out, pinch it, get it apart, and we're done. So what do? I grab my brand new one. Now, the thing to be careful of, so you look right in the middle, it's got that connected like that, right? Well, there's a dealie sticking right out from here that this has to go on real nice. So what I'm going to do, first thing, I'm going to plug her in. Don't have to worry about that. Now, I look over, and I get that thing set in there real nice. You got to work it just like that till it's ready. And once you're ready, you grab your screws, get them started, get the wrench out, tighten them up, and you're done. So there you have it, folks. Quick, easy fix. Takes just a few minutes. Change out the throttle position sensor. 2004 Chrysler Sebring Convertible Limited. Turbine Guy signing off. We'll see you next time.